What you doing? What you doing, baby? What are you doing? You went downstairs? Yeah, you do. Yes, 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 yes. Where are you going? No, those are mine. You can't fit in those.
There she goes.
Right. Are you trying to get that out?
Yeah, she
Oh my gosh, she's so bad.
Hey!
She is. She's ripping it off. Oh, no, no. She's gonna get mad.
Where'd they go? Where'd they go?
Do you guys know where they went?
Out of sight, out of mind. Go somewhere else. There you go.
Yay!
Come back. This stinky guy.
You gonna go eat some cat food?
Ooh, watch out, honey. That stuff could come down on her.
I have it.
That's like an avalanche. That could crush her feet.
Gabby, you get into everything.
I believe you get into everything. That's what babies do best.
Okay, say bye-byes. You have chocolate on your face.
Think your house is clean. Have a baby come. That no thing.
Hey, no. Yeah, come here, babe.
And she has everything the same, but we do share one thing. So, get it.
Dana, are you back there in their house? Peek your head out. Dana, peek your head out.
I can't, I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Gabby, come here.
I'm stuck, I really cannot get out.
Oh my goodness. Are you seriously stuck?
Wait,
She made me go back.
this is a portable toilet.
See, look, I can put like a portable toilet.
It's too small to be a toilet.
I couldn't fit nothing on there. Not even one butt
And then it
cheek.
goes through all through it.
Hi, pretty girl.
And then it goes through sinks and stuff.
What you doing? Oh, you want back here too?
I'm like stuck.
No, are you seriously stuck?
No, I got it. I got it. Hi. And then
Crazy.
Really? That's
Have y'all ever jumped on the couch? It's a lot of fun. I used to get in trouble for it all the time.
okay. And then look at my house. If you just want to look, you can't go.
Oh my god. Oh, Dina. She's doing a lot of stuff with the little kids today.
Well, because they wanted me to go in their house. Lucy even said, come on, Dana.
This is
Oh, Gabby, don't do that. Gabby, don't go through the paper.
No, paper.
Go get a fashion magazine. Yeah, Gabby. Because I'm pretty sure the new fashion is to wear pants. Just saying. We're give it back. Give it. Ready? I got it. Ready? Fetch.
Hey, Nolly, where's the
She's not a dog. You should know that.
I'm sorry, just.
What are you doing?
Why am I crawling? I can walk.
Okay. Get out. Okay.
Oh. Gabby. Say hi. Hi. Gabby, high five. Yay. You match the camera. Green and green. Oh, you do?
Because my house doesn't have that much stuff. Yes, it does.
He's so cute. What is my... There's wrapping tape around his fingers.
So weird.
She's like, what is he doing?
Get this one.
Somebody's tired. You're so 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 tired. Hi, you Daisy. Say hi, Daisy. Ready? Yes. Shake your bum, Ika. Shake it. Or say bye-byes. Bye. 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 everybody.
Film us!
Okay.
Film us!
They loved being filmed. Okay, so today's a rainy, yucky day, and so this is what we are doing in my house. Excuse the disaster we have over my nieces and nephews. Hi! What are you eating? Are you eating an Oreo? Are you? Is that an Oreo? Say thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oh, you're saying hi? Now you're saying goodbye. Okay. I'll leave you to your cookie. And what is my friend doing?
I feel like such a little kid. They want me to do this, okay? I'm being forced.
Watch.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
No, you're having fun.
It must be so terrible. Gaga.
Watch us one.
Hold on.
Okay. Ready?
Wait.
Oh, I think the sun's coming out, Dana.
Okay, hold on.
Is that?
Wait, hold my hands.
Oh my goodness,
Hold my
baby.
hands. Wait, watch us. We're going down.
One.
No, kids! Don't do this at home!
My bars are really bad.
That's so much fun!
Okay. So, our house is very chaotic right now. You're actually being the good one right now. You're not screaming because I gave you a cookie. I finally broke down and gave her a cookie. I know. Well, I felt bad. We were eating ice cream, so she needed something yummy. So,
Thank you for ice cream, Melanie.
I gave one. Oh, you're welcome. So, yay! And I'm making us lunch. I wonder if she could eat the macaroni.
What? High five. Oh, your hand's strong. Cookie.
Cookied up.
Cookie up.
They're all cooking up. I can't believe she's 1. How does it feel to be 1 year old, Gabby? You're so tiny. She is so tiny.
She's very cute.
She's grown taller, though.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You probably love me for giving you that. Just don't tell your mommy. No. She eats everything in sight, so she's good.
Melanie, look at the noodles.
Oh, darn it. I'm trying to bake here, but it ain't turning out too good because I'm not a bakerer. Here, stick your hand in there and tell me if it's hot, okay?
No, thanks. I'm not doing that.
Okay, fine.
Hey, Lucy.
I will do it. Come over here and stand and watch. Observe.
You actually gotta stick your hand in there.
Please.
I didn't think you
that
would.
would be something I would do. I'm not going to.
I know you didn't do it.
I
No,
put
Gabby.
so many noodles on it.
Thank you.
Looks like
So we're gonna make Gabby do it? I don't think so.
like
We just gotta-
potions in there because there's steam coming out.
Here, I'm gonna dump these on your hand. Tell me if they're hot.
No.
And yell ouch.
I'll give you 1 minute.
I know this isn't the correct way to do it.
Are they done or are they too hot? Look at your face.
She's like, what are you doing yet, Melanie? So what we are going to do though, we're baking the noodles, and I have like a little secret recipe that I do.
She won't tell me either.
And it's really healthy. Well, you're gonna find out.
Oh, okay.
It's really healthy though. It would be more healthy if they were wheat macaroni, but we don't have wheat right now. But we have diced tomatoes and green chilies.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's yummy.
Yum.
Ow.
She's like laughing.
And then I put some breadcrumbs on it. Yeah. Some breadcrumbs, and then I cut off some green peppers.
Let's
And
look in your fridge.
yeah, it's very, very full. We did
Yes.
some shopping. And then I put garlic expression dressing on it, and then put guacamole on the side.
Stop it. You're making me hungry.
Really good. Well, you're gonna be eating it.
Oh yeah. Yay.
So yeah, okay, Gabby. I wonder if she can eat it. I don't know if she can eat garlic yet.
Does she eat noodles? Just plain noodles?
She can eat the noodles plain.
Go ahead.
Gabby!
Should I stop it?
Hey everybody! My mouth is on fire. Because of the chili peppers.
Oh gosh.
So our lunch is done. It's going to be for over the week, so we don't eat all of this in one day. But it's super fast. And here's my macaroni, and then that, and then this, and
garlic expressions. It smells so good.
And then we're gonna have with our bun. She likes it too.
Hi, Gabby. Thank you, Melanie. Yum.
You want more than that?
Oh, that's plenty. Thank you.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie.
So that is my lunch meal.
Yay.
And I hope you guys are having a wonderful rainy Sunday. Well, it's
for
not
us.
going to be rainy for everybody.
Yeah.
But it is for us.
Yeah.
But bye.